Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Access um, as a backend of your Excel application or dashboard we have created, right? So it uses as a front end. It uses the Microsoft Excel sheet, and when you click on the button, it gets connected. It connects you to the database, and since the entries are already there, and this entry is for today, 16th of August, so it's not allowed until the 16th of August becomes yesterday, right? So yes, until yesterday it can pass on. So to see it that so you have to blank out 15th, so that is you can do the unperformed. This is the latest feature we have showed you in our previous video, that you can choose to unperform certain dates, say starting from 29th of August, ending till say 2nd of September, right? So these are the which you want to unperform. Now, if you get click go, then it will sense it that you want to when you do the marking of unperforming. You want to mark them unperformed. So you will see the no will be displayed here, and that's the indication that it has successfully unperformed the thing. So these are the activities which were quite old, 29th of August 1978. And that was performed on 15, but we want to unperform, we say yes. So it has now unperformed. Now, if you click OK, then it is show you it's showing you that 15th of August. You can do it because this is yesterday, and you can add 5 records. Okay, we click OK, and it has rolled back it to the 15th. Now it is performed. So you have seen how to perform and how to mark unperform, right? For the unperformed, we use the due dates. Unperformed, we use the due date. And for the rollback, we use the performance date. For example, if you want to perform uh, perform until means say 12th of August. Yeah, 12th of August. Okay, right. So this it is going to 12. It is going to unperform all these things. It will roll back all the activities which were performed from the 15th of August to 12th of August backward. Right. We click OK, and it will store all these things before the rollback. What is the situation? 7 7,624 will come here, and 42,360 will come here, and that's it. Right? We click OK. So it is taking the confirmation from you that's ready to roll back until 12th of August. We say OK. So it is doing that. Okay. So now it has rolled back. So before rollback was 360, and now after the rollback, it is 42,000, and this is the after the rollback, right? It has increased, right? It has rightfully increased after the rollback, right? Now, when you click, if you have to manually delete it if you do not want any further rollback, and you click OK. This time it will bring 12 because until 12th of August, the process was rolled back, right? So all the activities which were performed were marked as unperformed, right? So for 8th of August, we click OK. So it is going to mark it. So you can see on, so it has marked 12th of August. Next is, now it is marked 13th of August, and now is 14th of August, and next is 15th of August. And if you click now, so it will give you the error that this entry is not allowed because you anything higher than the yesterday date will be blocked, right? That's it. Now, this was the recap. Now let's see how we can add the new user. At the moment, we have only one user. And we need some mechanism. So we have designed a form. This is the form in which you enter the we will enter the full name of the uh, man of the user who wants this service to be reminded about their status and the backlog clearance, right? So his name will be given enter, and a user ID will be auto-generated. Then a starting date from which his performance of the activities is to be entered and marked performed. Okay, and the local rate, if whatever the rate is involved. In Karachi, it is 180 per Miss Salat, right? And this is PKR and email address and city and country. We showed you this part of this. Now it has, we have included some more items and we have changed the database as well. As you can see, this is actually the target that that form will enter all this information into this table, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 fields, and there are eight. There are eight. One is name, yeah. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is additional. The starting date will not come in the user master. Rather, it will go to the master. Yeah, here it will be entered as a due date and due and perform. In the beginning, everything will be due, everything will be performed. Later on, you can unperform certain area which you want to create the backlog, and then that backlog is going to be replenished, is to be performed, and it will be cleared. Uh, Clearance of backlog will be by simply telling your daily activity how you are going to perform. So to add a user, when you enter any name, say the name which is already existing, and if you click enter, so it will say the username already exists, right? And if you say Amjad, if some other Amjad comes here who has some name, say Iqbal, for example, click enter. So so it is auto-generating Amjad 002 because the why not 001? Because it has sensed that there is already a 001, so it has incremented it for this. So this is the auto-generated user ID. Then if you write any date which is invalid, you click on it, so it will tell you that it's invalid date. And it will block it so that you cannot add such a user having an invalid date. For example, if you say 29th or say 31st of February, that is an invalid date. Say to 2025. So this is your starting date. For example, you click enter, so it's still invalid date. So that's why it has blocked dates. You cannot add such a thing which is invalid. Yes, if you write, say, instead of 31, you say 21. Click OK. So this will enable it. How does it do? How does it do this? So we click close, we get back to the form. In the starting date, we double click. So here it is. If is date tells you this is a date or not. If not is date means if it is not date, then the message will come. And at the same time, invalid date message will pop up. At the same time, it will disable the add user button dot enable is equal to false, means disable that button. And if it is valid, then enable that button. That's right. Okay, so this is a mechanism. Just need to show how simple it is, powerful way in which you can deal with the form fields, and you can develop full-fledged application having means all these validations placed in a proper way, right, and in a logical manner, and then when all these things are validated, then you will write a mechanism. So double click in it. So this is the where we are going to write that go to the database and add a record into the user table, as well as in the master table. Master table will have on the date, and all the other things will come from the means the username, the user ID will come from it has to be the same which has been entered in the users table, right? So this is what we are proceeding. In the next video. We will show you how to further add validations in the form, so that we make sure that the form is complete in all respect. No mandatory information is missing. All the dates, etc., are valid. The country and city, these all are valid. The email address are valid, and the local rate, well, this is optional. If you do not have it, you have a zero, you will have a zero value coming. That's no problem, right? And currency. And this is right. Okay. So see you in our next session. Thank you very much for joining.